Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Please click below to subscribe. Today we're going to teach you how to make quick and easy pizza. Go! For the ingredients, we'll need 4 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of milk, pinch of salt, 125 grams of butter, and 1 cup of water. First step, we're going to take our salt, mix it with our flour, then add our butter, mix it together till we get a crumb consistency. Now that we got our crumb mixture done, we're going to add our 2 liquid ingredients together and then slowly add it to the crumbs until we get a soft dough. Now that we got our pizza dough ready, we're going to take it and roll it out thin and put it on our tray. It's going to rise a bit, so just remember, don't roll it out too thick. Now that we roll out our pizza dough onto our tray, we're going to prick it with a fork and then rub it with oil. Now your pizza dough is ready for whatever toppings you want to put on it. Once you put your toppings, put it into the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, all depending on how crispy you want your pizza. Don't forget to subscribe below and catch our next video where we teach you one of our favorite pizzas to make, baked beans pizza.